Remember when car engines went vroom vroom? Now, they go quiet, clean, and a little intimidating. The world of EV motors can feel like deciphering IKEA instructions, but don't worry, I'm here to make it simple. Today we'll break down the main types of electric motors powering modern cars so you can sound smart at your next family dinner. We'll cover the classics, the high-tech, and crown the real champion of the electric revolution. I'm Yurt Fufgefg, let's get electrified. Let's explore the world of electric motors, starting with a classic. The DC brushed motor, the grandpa of electric motors. It's a foundational piece of technology that has been around for ages. It's old school, simple in its design, and undeniably tough, built to last through years of operation. However, it relies on brushes, typically made of carbon, that physically contact the motor's commutator. These brushes wear out over time due to friction. Imagine powerful magnets creating a magnetic field and a spinning armature, the core of the motor, rotating within that field. The magic happens with brushes delivering power to the armature, enabling it to spin continuously. It's reliable in many ways but also high maintenance, requiring regular checkups and part replacements. Friction between the brushes and commutator generates heat, leading to noise, and the need for regular repairs to keep it running smoothly. You won't find these DC brushed motors in new Teslas, which opt for more advanced brushless technology, but they're still commonly found in simpler applications like electric scooters and golf carts, where cost-effectiveness is key. They're cheap to manufacture and relatively easy to fix, making them a practical choice for certain applications. However, they are not as efficient or modern as their brushless counterparts, which offer better performance and longevity. Think of it like wearing socks with sandals. Functional, it gets the job done, but definitely outdated in terms of style and technology. Despite its limitations, the DC brushed motor paved the way for better tech and innovations in electric motor design. A true pioneer in the field of electric motors, but mostly a piece of history now, as more advanced technologies take center stage. Enter the DC brushless motor. No brushes, no drama. It flips the design permanent magnet spin, coils stay put, and a smart controller times everything perfectly. No friction, less maintenance, and way more efficient. It's the reason your e-bike and drone run so smoothly. Quieter, longer lasting, and faster than its brushed cousin. The catch? Slightly more complex and pricier. But for most modern EVs, it's the go-to choice. The DC brushless motor is smart, reliable, and everywhere. Work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into the world of electric motors and specifically, the workhorse known as the induction motor. It's a true powerhouse, especially prominent in the EV world, providing the muscle for acceleration and everyday driving. What makes it special? Well, it's a design that eliminates brushes and permanent magnets. Instead, you'll find just a rugged rotor carefully crafted and a clever application of magnetic field principles. This ingenious design was, of course, invented by the electrical pioneer Nikola Tesla, and it's built for strength and reliability, designed to withstand the rigors of demanding applications. The magic happens when the stator's magnetic field induces current directly in the rotor. This induced current creates its own magnetic field, which interacts with the stator's field, spinning it with brute force. The absence of rare earth magnets translates to a significant advantage: lower cost. And importantly, it also means less environmental impact during manufacturing and disposal. You'll find these motors hard at work in heavy industry. And, as many know, they were famously used in early Teslas, contributing to their insane acceleration capabilities. The induction motor delivers huge torque when you need it, and it's a robust design that can really take a beating, holding up under pressure. Now for the downsides, it tends to be heavier than other motor types, and it can be a bit less efficient, especially when operating at lower speeds. But if you prioritize raw power and unwavering durability above all else, then the induction motor is undoubtedly the right choice for your application. So there you have it, the induction motor. Tough, proven, reliable, and still a favorite for many demanding applications around the world. And now, let's talk about a true champion in the world of electric motors. The permanent magnet synchronous motor, or PMSM as it's commonly known, is often considered the efficiency king. This motor cleverly uses powerful magnets directly on the rotor. These magnets interact with a precisely synchronized magnetic field generated by the stator. This design allows for maximum efficiency in energy conversion. Unlike some other motor types, there's no chasing fields. It's just perfect synchronization between the rotor and the magnetic field, resulting in top-tier performance. This superior efficiency translates directly to more miles per charge for your electric vehicle. And because PMSMs are so efficient, they can often be paired with smaller, lighter batteries, reducing the overall weight of the vehicle. You'll find PMSMs powering some of the most advanced electric vehicles on the market, including the latest Teslas and the high-performance Porsches, as well as many models from Hyundai. They are compact in size and incredibly powerful, making them super efficient overall. But what's the catch? The high performance of PMSM comes at a cost. Those rare earth magnets are pricey to source and their extraction isn't exactly eco-friendly, so you pay more upfront. But in return you get the best possible range and overall performance from your electric vehicle. Ultimately, the PMSM is the choice for those who demand the absolute best in electric vehicle technology. It's the overachiever of EV motors, always striving for peak efficiency and performance. That's the EV motor lineup: Grandpa the chill one, the workhorse, and the overachiever. Each has its strengths, quirks, and perfect use case. Now you can talk motors like a pro, or at least fake it. If you learned something, hit like and subscribe for more. Drop your favorite EV meme in the comments. Stay charged and see you next time.